Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most tragic and significant events in aviation history, Japan Airlines Flight 123. This disaster, which occurred on August 12, 1985, remains the deadliest single aircraft accident in history. Join me as we explore the details of this catastrophic event, the heroic efforts made during the rescue, and the lasting impact it had on aviation safety. On August 12, 1985, Japan Airlines Flight 123, a Boeing 747SR, was scheduled to fly from Tokyo's Haneda Airport to Osaka's Itami Airport. The aircraft was carrying 524 people, 509 passengers and 15 crew members. Among the passengers were families returning home from summer vacations, business travelers, and several notable figures. Shortly after takeoff, as the aircraft reached cruising altitude, a loud noise was heard from the rear of the plane. At 6:24 p.m., just 12 minutes into the flight, the rear pressure bulkhead failed. This catastrophic failure caused explosive decompression, leading to the loss of the vertical stabilizer and all four hydraulic systems. Without hydraulic power, the crew lost control over the aircraft's primary flight controls. Captain Masami Takahama, First Officer Yutaka Sasaki, Flight Engineer Hiroshi Fukuda, and Flight Engineer Supervisor Hiroshi Kitagawa fought valiantly to control the aircraft using engine thrust alone. Despite their efforts, the plane entered an uncontrollable series of oscillations, known as the phugoid cycle, where the aircraft alternately climbed and descended uncontrollably. As the situation worsened, the crew declared an emergency and attempted to return to Haneda Airport. However, with the aircraft becoming increasingly difficult to control, they were forced to change course toward a nearby military airfield at Yokota Air Base. Tragically, they were unable to reach the airfield. At 6:56 p.m., just 32 minutes after the initial failure, Japan Airlines Flight 123 crashed into Mount Takamagahara in the Ueno village of Gunma Prefecture. The impact resulted in a massive explosion, and the wreckage was strewn across the mountainside. The crash instantly killed 520 people on board, leaving only 4 survivors. The rescue operation was severely hampered by the remote location and difficult terrain. Rescue teams did not reach the crash site until the following morning, almost 12 hours after the accident. The 4 survivors, Yumi Okiai, Keiko Kawakami, Hiroshi Ueda, and a young girl named Mikiko Yashizaki, were found amidst the wreckage, suffering from severe injuries but miraculously alive. The investigation into the crash revealed that the rear pressure bulkhead had been improperly repaired 7 years earlier following a tailstrike incident at Osaka Airport. The repair involved a doubler plate, which was installed incorrectly, leading to metal fatigue and eventual failure. This failure set off a chain of events that resulted in the loss of hydraulic control and the subsequent crash. The investigation also highlighted several critical issues, including deficiencies in Japan Airlines maintenance procedures and the need for improved emergency response protocols. The airline implemented significant changes to its maintenance practices, and the aviation industry as a whole introduced stricter regulations to prevent similar failures in the future. Japan Airlines Flight 123 had a profound impact on the families of the victims and the broader aviation community. Memorials were erected to honor the lives lost, and annual ceremonies continue to be held at the crash site. The incident remains a somber reminder of the importance of rigorous maintenance standards and the relentless pursuit of safety in aviation. Thank you for watching. The tragedy of Japan Airlines Flight 123 is a stark reminder of the critical importance of aircraft maintenance and safety protocols. We hope this detailed account sheds light on the lessons learned from this disaster and honors the memory of those who lost their lives. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth looks at significant aviation incidents. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.